Hello everyone. Today we are going to try to create setting up a local LLM in our own environment. So there's a lot of reasons you want to run local LLM in your environment, especially one is that you don't want to pay or you don't want to use an existing cloud LLM. But it's always good to learn how you can do that. And you can run your own local agents knowing that your data is not going anywhere else. But either way, let's just get started. So let's do a very simple test. So in order to run LLM in your local environment, you want to make sure you have GPU. Most of the time it's an NVIDIA driver version which you want. So you can check if you have the latest or not latest, but the accurate thing available. So NVIDIA SMI, if this shows up, you're good. You can continue. If you don't, you might want to install GPU and I can share that link in description how which video talks about it, and your computer also has to be compatible. You should have a GPU. Since I have it, I can continue moving on. So you can use this curl command just to directly install from the Ollama website. So if we go here and just enter, it'll ask for my password. So I'll give my password. Doesn't like my password. And this is going to take some time. So there you go. It downloaded the whole thing. So it says created a symlink as well. Great. And then there was a segmentation for code dumped and GTP detected. I don't know. This is really an error, but it looks like the installation is complete. Awesome. So I can just run Ollama. Is it there? Ooh, nice. So I can see all the commands. Great. If I want to run something, let's see. So we can do run llama 3. File does not exist. Let's list the models. I have no model. Oh, I gave the wrong name. So the first time we run this, Ollama will see that we don't have Llama 3 model. And you can see that I wrote the wrong one and I was trying to list it, but that wasn't downloaded. So it will connect to its servers and download it. So that's what's happening right now. And it may take some time, as you can see. But once downloaded, it will load the model into our GPU's memory. And after this is running, I think we should have a chat prompt ready to talk to the model. So let's wait and see. If you want to see, there's all the list of Ollama free models which we can access. So there's a lot of them. I do not know the difference and what they all can do. I'm learning with you, so I'll take a look as we learn about it. So let's just see how this goes and we'll talk more about this. Okay, it's finishing. There you go. I think we have it running. Let me ask it a question. Okay, there you go. So we are getting an answer. You have it ready. Now I do not know if it can access things outside, probably not because it's running locally, but let's try it. What if I want to ask something which is latest today? So let me see if I can stop it. Okay, I stopped it. That was rude, but we can do it. What's the news for? I'm doing it on 2nd August 2025. So you can see here it's thinking it's in the future, August 2025. So it's the model is based on 2023. And it's giving the answer based on that. Now, if I want to stop here and try a different thing, so let's ask, can you scrape a GitHub website? Let's see if it can go online. So it says I can help with that. So that means that it cannot go to that. Okay, let's try something else. We can also give some commands. So you can see load, save. I think you can use different LLM models for it or something like that. I will explore this further. But what you can also do is see how your memory is performing. So if you want to look at on a different tab, let's say NVIDIA SMI, so it will give you the current usage of what how much your memory usage is being used. So if I, let's say, ask another question to LLM, it will allow me to show those stats. For some reason, I'm getting segmentation fault, which I cannot figure out. But ideally, this will give you the result. But I'm going to stop here so that I can explore this further and we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.